Is your Model S rear panoramic sunroof, often called the rear window, stuck, not opening or closing, or acting erratically? This video is for you. We'll cover common causes like faulty regulators, switch issues, and glass problems. As of 2026, these are known issues, especially in older models, but fixes are available. We will help you understand what to do. The first step in fixing the Tesla Model S rear window issue is identifying the root cause. Start by pinpointing the problem. Is the glass stuck solid, or does the motor try to move it? Next, check the switch on the touchscreen or overhead console to see if it's responsive. Then, use the Tesla app to check for diagnostic error codes. Common culprits include a failing regulator, a faulty switch, or physical obstruction of the glass panel. Checking these points will save you time and money. Before attempting major repairs on your Tesla Model S rear sunroof, start with these simple DIY fixes. First, clean and lubricate the sunroof tracks to reduce friction and prevent sticking. Use a silicone-based lubricant specifically designed for automotive use. Apply it sparingly along the tracks to avoid excess buildup. If the sunroof glass is stuck, try the manual override procedure detailed in your owner's manual. This often involves accessing a hidden switch or lever. Gently apply pressure to the glass while operating the switch to free a jammed regulator. These basic fixes often resolve minor sunroof issues without needing professional repair. When lubrication and manual overrides fail to fix the sunroof issue, replacing the faulty regulator is the next step. This requires accessing the roof cavity through the headliner, so safety is crucial. First, for safety, always disconnect the battery terminals to prevent accidental activation of the sunroof mechanism. This avoids injury from moving glass or electrical issues. Remove the headliner to access the roof cavity where the regulator is located. Carefully detach the headliner clips and set it aside without damaging the fabric. Disconnect the cables from the old regulator. Support the glass panel carefully to prevent it from falling or cracking. Remove the mounting bolts and gently lift out the faulty regulator. Position the new regulator in place, ensuring all mounting holes align. Secure it with bolts and reconnect the cables. Use Tesla-approved parts for reliability and warranty coverage. Carefully reinstall the headliner, securing all clips. Ensure the interior trim is properly aligned and nothing is pinched or damaged. Reconnect the battery terminals securely. Double-check all connections to prevent electrical issues. Turn on the vehicle and test the sunroof using the touchscreen controls. Check for smooth opening, closing, and tinting. If issues persist, consult a professional. Switch problems in the Tesla Model S rear window system often stem from wiring issues or software glitches. The switch controls the sunroof mechanism and can malfunction due to electrical shorts, corrosion, or programming errors. Start by inspecting the wiring harness for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Look for signs of wear in the electrical connections that could interrupt the signal to the sunroof regulator. If wiring looks fine, try a soft reset of the Tesla system. This can clear temporary software glitches that might be causing the switch to respond incorrectly. Tesla's over-the-air updates often include fixes for software-related switch problems. These updates can resolve programming errors that affect the sunroof control system without needing physical repairs. If the switch shows physical damage or continues malfunctioning after software fixes, replacement may be necessary. Consult Tesla service for proper diagnosis and installation. When the rear window glass develops cracks or shatters, professional replacement becomes essential due to the unique properties of tempered glass used in automotive applications. Tempered glass in the Tesla Model S rear window is designed to shatter into small, blunt pieces upon impact. But when it breaks unexpectedly, it can create sharp shards that pose significant safety risks. If shards remain in the frame, carefully remove them using appropriate tools to avoid cuts or further damage to the vehicle frame. Wear protective gloves and work methodically to clear all fragments. Tesla service centers provide factory-trained technicians who can source and install genuine Tesla rear window glass, ensuring compatibility with the vehicle's systems. Alternatively, specialized auto glass shops offer cost-effective options with certified installers. When selecting a replacement, consider upgrading to reinforced glass, which provides better resistance to cracks and shattering, potentially extending the lifespan of the rear window. Avoid operating the sunroof with damaged glass, as this can cause the mechanism to malfunction or lead to additional safety hazards. Preventative maintenance begins with keeping the sunroof mechanism clean. Regularly remove dirt and debris from tracks to prevent jamming. Apply silicone-based lubricant to the tracks and regulator components. This reduces friction and prevents wear on moving parts. Avoid excessive opening and closing cycles. Frequent full operation strains the regulator motor and can accelerate wear. Use Tesla's mobile app regularly for diagnostic checks. The app can detect early signs of regulator or switch issues through over-the-air diagnostics. Monitor for unusual noises or resistance. Address minor issues like sticking immediately to prevent them from becoming major repairs. These maintenance habits will significantly extend the life of your Model S rear window, reducing repair costs and preventing unexpected failures. While many Tesla Model S rear window fixes are straightforward and DIY friendly, some situations definitely require professional expertise. If you're uncomfortable working with electrical systems, handling glass panels, or dealing with complex mechanical repairs, it's best to consult a Tesla service center or a qualified mechanic. Many fixes like basic lubrication, simple troubleshooting, and switch checks can be handled at home with the right tools and knowledge. However, when it comes to electrical system work, glass panel handling or replacement, complex regulator repairs, or any situation that poses safety risks, professional help is essential. Safety should always come first. Tesla service centers offer expert repairs with genuine parts and warranty coverage, while qualified mechanics can provide cost-effective solutions for complex issues.